Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How have you all been doing? Hope you all are doing good, and leave some comments on your on your experiences with Shirdi Sai. Baba says, when you spread my word, then I always love that, and I like it that you are sharing your experiences to people, and you're sharing your joy. But I always see none of you share your experiences. Don't say anything. You all want Baba to love you, Baba to be there with you. Then show Baba that you love him too. Share your experiences. Let others also read in this comments. Let others faith also in Baba become more, and let others also know that yes, there is someone out there who will listen to us as a father, who will listen to us as a brother, and guide us and be with us lifelong. So let's I'm going to pull the cards today because I'm so upset that every time I wait for the comments, and you people put Om Sai Ram, you people say yes, it was bang on, but you never share your experiences. So today I am not going to share my experience, and I will wait if you're sharing or not, or else then even I will stop sharing, and I will just go straight to the messages. Why should I share the joy and blessings which Baba gives me when you people are not ready to share your joy and blessings? And you are very, what do I say, I would say confused in telling. Tell about him. Be happy. When you talk about him itself, whenever I talk about him, there's a smile, and there's a glowing smile on my face. And I feel he is going to bless me more and more, and he's going to be there with me more and more the more I talk about him. So talk about him. Leave your comments. Let me know. Let me hear your stories. Let me hear how he has blessed you in your lives. Chalo, let's, as I said, no stories today from my side. I'm just going to pull the card out. Abundance. See, you shall be blessed with abundance. Now, I always tell this even in my workshops: what you share, what comes back to you multifold. So if you share abundance, abundance comes back to you multifold. So Baba is also telling you that he will bless you with abundance, provided you also be abundant from inside and share his blessings worldwide. Share his blessings to your, it's not necessary you have to leave the comments in the YouTube channel, but at least share your blessings with your near and dear ones. Feed stray dogs, feed poor people. Tell them that I'm feeding you today in the name of Baba. Let Baba get all the happiness when he sees that you're sharing so much of love and joy outside. Let us see. I think actually today 3 cards have popped out in cross, so I'm going to put that. The protector. Recently also this is what came. Baba will destroy your fear and protect you. Transcendence. He says he will always be there for you. And compassion. As I said, feed people. Remember, I said feed people because sometimes today also, whenever I have a hot meal, I tell Baba, thank you. There are so many people out there who don't even get one time food to eat. Whenever I get something nice to eat, even if it is a curd rice, I tell Baba, thank you. There are people out there who don't even have this curd rice to eat. Help people, be compassionate towards them. If someone is suffering, guide them. See what you can do to make their lives also good. In turn, Baba will make your life good. So today, what you will do, you don't have to feed a poor person or a stray animal if you don't want to, but you will help someone in need. You will help someone who needs your help right now, who needs your hand right now, for them to come out of their trouble. And in turn, see how Baba will help you, and Baba will be there for you, and Baba will guide you and give you all the abundance. Also, if possible, feed some stray animal, because that also gives Baba the joy. But definitely Baba's clear indication today is help someone in need, and in turn he's going to help you. He's going to give you protection, he's going to give you abundance, he's going to give you everything that you desire. Om Sai Ram.